deficiency mostly brings to mind obvious symptoms like brittle nails, muscle cramps, or even frequent bone fractures. But keep this in mind that there are some signs of low calcium levels that may seem unrelated but actually point to a deficiency in this essential mineral. Calcium has a very important role not only in bone health but also in nerve function, heart health, and even mood regulation. Here are 6 less commonly known signs of calcium deficiency. Tingling in fingers and toes. Experiencing a strange tingling sensation in the fingers or toes. This might actually be an early indicator of low calcium levels, particularly when it happens regularly. Known as paresthesia, this symptom occurs because calcium is critical for nerve signaling. Without enough calcium, nerves may misfire, creating sensations like tingling, numbness, or even a crawling feeling on the skin. Too much tiredness with no clear cause. While fatigue can stem from a range of causes, long-lasting tiredness without a clear explanation might be due to low calcium levels. Calcium is integral to cellular energy production, so a deficiency can make your cells work harder, leading to sluggishness and low energy. People with calcium deficiency often feel more fatigued, even with adequate rest. Difficulty in swallowing. Having trouble swallowing or experiencing a sense of tightness in our throat could indicate calcium deficiency, especially if it's a persistent problem. This happens because low calcium affects muscle contractions, including those of the esophagus. Known medically as dysphagia, this symptom can disrupt digestion and affect nutrient absorption, potentially worsening calcium deficiency over time. Dental issues. Despite regular oral care, our teeth contain a lot of calcium, and a deficiency can lead to unexpected dental problems, even if you have a good oral hygiene routine. Signs such as increased tooth sensitivity, cavities, or gum issues could be a sign of low calcium levels, as the body may start drawing calcium from teeth if blood levels are too low. Frequent mood changes or anxiety. It might be surprising, but calcium deficiency can influence mental health as well. Calcium is necessary for nerve function and neurotransmitter release, and low levels may contribute to mood swings, irritability, or even anxiety. This connection between calcium and mood occurs because calcium helps regulate hormones and neurotransmitters involved in emotional well-being. Skin dryness and eczema-like symptoms. Dry, itchy, or scaling skin could indicate low calcium levels. Calcium supports skin cell regeneration and helps form a protective barrier to retain moisture. A deficiency may lead to dry, irritated skin that resembles eczema, particularly in areas like the elbows and knees. If standard moisturizers don't seem to help, it might be worth considering calcium deficiency as a contributing factor. What we can do to improve calcium levels. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it's a good idea to check with a healthcare provider and get your calcium levels tested. To address calcium deficiency, you can make a few dietary and lifestyle changes. Here are some proven methods. Foods like dairy products, leafy green vegetables such as kale and spinach, almonds, and fortified foods like fortified orange juice and cereals are excellent sources of calcium. If dietary changes aren't sufficient, a calcium supplement can help bridge the gap. However, be sure to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplements to ensure the right dosage. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium more effectively. Get enough sunlight exposure. Eat vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish and fortified dairy, or consider a supplement if recommended.